challenge in my work is to handle unexpected situations and keep everybody happy. So not only the customer, but also my colleagues. I'm Marieke. I'm the coordinator of the RTC, so that's the Rademaker Technology Centre. My tasks are to schedule the bakers, to source the ingredients, to make sure that the right tooling is available, sending the samples to the customer, and checking the reports. Well, my job is to organize everything around the test of the bakers so they can concentrate themselves on the test. Most of the time we have just one moment, one time to show the customer that we are able to make his product. And I do that for 6 years now, more than 6 years, yes. In 1 year, we do more or less 200 tests for customers all over the world with a lot of different kind of products. I like working at Rademaker because of the different kind of people, the engineers, the bakers, the supply chain, the sales guys. But at the end, we are one team, one big family, and that's what Rademaker is, a family company.